Okay, we're ready to start painting the rims. I mean, I didn't take off. Can we see? I didn't take off the tire on the bead of the one I did. You may have seen the past video. Yeah, I did Vice Grip Garage's neat little trick there. Maybe I should have watched the tutorial better, but I might have to go back and watch it again. If you're watching me and you're not watching Vice Grip, check them out. Funny man. Yeah, so we're ready to paint. I prepped it with alcohol. Just degrease. Pretty important step with rims. They see a lot of grease, leaking axles, and like tire shine kind of stuff. Like the paint is not going to stick to it. So, of any place you want to use like a grease remover, degreaser, this is it. I had alcohol, worked for me, and then it's cold today. Maybe we see a few snowflakes, but it's sunny. So, of course, they say never do this in direct sun, but we're going to use it to our advantage. I am, well, still a bit cold, but depending where I measure, we're getting close to room temperature, so acceptable. And I have here a filler primer from a certain company. Most of these scratches I can't feel. A few of them I can. If I feel it, you know, you're going to see it. But with the rims, I mean, that's... Of course, we're well below the water line, right? It's on a vehicle. That's not going to be noticeable, especially in what I'm going for with kind of a ratty look. But I do want a nice colored rim. You'll have to wait to see the color. These are going to be painted, but let's see how it's going to go on. This dries. I'll keep you in the camera angle, but this dries pretty quick. But we're still going to go with a light coat. Of course, we already have, oh, where's the debris? Get. And keep going. Looking better already. This is literally minutes later. My coat is dry or flashed off, or whatever you want to call it. I'm going in with a heavier second coat and just, yeah, I touched it, but whoa, and I gotta run. Stop talking. Yeah, just pounding it in there where it's I can see through. And I don't know if you've seen on camera, not seeing too many scratches already. It's filled it in. Oh, maybe where I did touch. But yeah, second coat. Turned out pretty good. Like this, you know how it started. I mean, you're seeing sure a bit of things in it. This is my the worst rim. If you remember that black one, and it was pretty bad. Was it the worst? Yeah, I think it was the worst. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty passable. 50-footer for sure. All right. Going back to stock. Boring, I know. But I thought about it. And these are so recognizable as rally wheels. If I paint them any other color, people know they're painted rally wheels. You painted them. So yeah, it's, oh, I keep touching it with the can. But light coat, John, light coats. So yeah, they're so recognizable as rallies. Yeah, it's you'll know, right? I think so. I think stock, which is kind of a silver, is best. Light coats, just walk away.
We can only do
The entitlement.
we can only do cash.
Oh.
And yes, some entitled lady came in, complaining about it. While she was shopping, she came up to one of us and said, "I expect to be working by the time I come to the till." I don't know why she expects that that's just going to happen, because we've been trying to fix it for the past like 3 hours.
I expect your attitude to improve by the time you come to the till.
Anyways, by the time she comes to the till, guess what? It's still not working.
Yeah. Here's the number you call, lady.
Yeah, so she decides to rant and yell at the manager, freaking out one of the other co-workers, so she's now having a panic attack in the back. This lady decides to leave with her cart full of groceries, so now Grocery, who could be doing something else like stocking the shelves, is now putting away all of her groceries.
Oh.
It's trying not to freak out because we don't need another cashier on, because we need as many cashiers as we possibly can. So we're all kind of just freaking out trying to get through this because, you know, there's a lot of people who are accepting it, but it's just those few people that are just annoyed and can't deal with it, that are just freaking
How
us
bad
out.
was her life?
I don't know. And then, yeah, so eventually it was fixed and everything was okay. Some guy came in and decided to preach about how the coronavirus is only affecting the Asian imported workers, and it's not affecting us.
Okay.
It's only Asian workers. You guys, why are we putting on gloves and hand sanitizing? It's not affecting us. It doesn't affect us. It's only the Asian workers that it's affecting.
Yeah.
I just ignored him, and he went on shopping and eventually left, but I'm just like, this dude is like, it was also like a super old guy. Like, if this old guy got coronavirus, like, he would not survive.
Yeah.
I don't know. He felt the need
To let you know.
let us know.
Yeah. Wow, that was quite a work shift.
It went by quickly, but I was very stressed through most of it.
Well, it is stressful, yeah. I'm glad you endured. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's too bad.
Yeah.
So you know I'm recording all this, right?
Oh. Well, you don't put audio in most of your videos. Like
This is my fast forward or whatever. You know, so and
they can see my feet.
No, they only see this. But if you don't want that story in there, I can certainly take it out, or it'll be all like Mickey Mouse talk.
I feel like the two people that were in the store know who they are, and if they happen to see your video, that might not be good for me.
I'll consider it, but that's up to you. And cut. So that's 2 coats of silver. What do we have? Acrylic lacquer. Think I don't know a lot about paint, but shiny and dries quickly. Is that a thing? I'm happy. I'm sure you're seeing what I'm seeing. Runs, but this rim turned out pretty good. For the purposes of the old truck. Oh, there's a front clip in the box, by the way, if you're curious where they went. And the snow. But yeah, lots more to come. But this is done. This was, I don't know, for me this was like a major thing. Just getting this. But thanks for watching anyway.